Muling iginit ng Malacanang ang pagpapatupad ng pamahalaan ng mga reforma sa bansa. Ayon kay Presidential Spokesperson Edwin Lacierda, kabilang dito ang pagsugpo sa anumang uri ng katiwalian. Narito ang ulat ni Rocky Ignacio.
Hindi matitinag si Pangulo Aquino na linisin ang bansa laban sa katiwalian at anumang uri ng anomalya. Ayon kay Presidential Spokesperson Edwin Lacierda, maliwanag na inilatag ito ng Pangulo, partikular na ang mga ipatutupad na reforma bago pa man maupo sa pwesto.
All these reforms are impossible without the political and intellectual muscle of the president. More than anything else, President Aquino will be remembered as a reformist president. And from the very start of the campaign, when we were still campaigning, he already laid out his plans. He already laid out his vision for the country. And those came from President Aquino himself. And he has advisors to help him implement all this.
Nagsalita ang palasyo sa pagdadawit umano sa pork barrel scam ng mga nakatutulong ng Pangulo sa pagpapatupad ng reforma. Pinakapartikular na dito si Budget Secretary Florencio Abad.
It's interesting to know, he's being singled out. Maybe because of the closeness to the president. Nobody wants to hit the president right now. Obviously, nobody wants to hit the president because the president's honesty, incorruptibility, reformist image can never be questioned. So they try to hit the people around him, and I think that's very unfair for them. And I hope that the people who see everyday attacks against people who work hard for the country will not be persuaded by all these demolition attacks against honest people in government.
Bukod kasi kay Secretary Abad, nakaupo bilang PMS Chief ang anak nito na si Julia Abad at kasalukuyang Batanes Congresswoman ang asawa nito na si Henedina Abad.
I think it's not fair na sabihin just because you're an Abad. Considering that they're in various levels of the bureaucracy, hindi naman sila lahat siguro cabinet secretary, dalawa lang ang cabinet secretary. So, wag naman natin sanang sabihin na porke maraming panyaris kunyari sa gobyerno o maraming atiyensa sa gobyerno, ano na yun. At sa kung wala namang sabing ginagawa silang katiwalian, huwag naman natin sanang idama yung mga tao. In fact, that shows compliance nga na inilahad nila lahat ng kanilang mga kamag-anak sa gobyerno.
Nauna nang sinabi ni Pangulo Aquino na hindi dapat malito ang taong bayan sa investigasyon sa pork barrel scam dahil ang matibay na ebidensya ang magdadala sa katotohanan. Para sa Telebisyon ng Bayan, Rocky Ignacio.